Along with all the usual pen, shapes, page backgrounds and tools you get with interactive software, our developers have broken new ground, giving teachers one software that opens multiple file types. It is now possible to open Smart and Promethean files without needing to have the original software installed. Content can be brought in with all the layering and animation intact. All users need to do is open the resource bank. From here they can tap and drag the file they want onto the page and hey presto. No more subscription fees to pay. Our developers have been truly innovative this year. Not just Smart and Promethean, tapping the Dropbox or Google Drive icon will open their contents so that once again the teacher can tap and drag the file they want to use. IWP Pro has been developed to give teachers one software that can open multiple file types including PDF, Word and PowerPoint. IWP Pro is all they need. All these files can be opened up without the native software being installed. What's more, teachers can search for material from resources created by teachers and supplement their own lessons with content available online. Teachers love it because they can still use their existing resources whilst moving to newer interactive touchscreen technology. The included mini-apps help teachers enhance their lesson delivery and present a variety of content, keeping their students engaged. The combination of a teacher explaining and seeing it come to life on the touchscreen means it can take a lot less time to understand. The ability to record sessions using the Screen Recorder mini-app makes it extremely simple for teachers to create revision or tutorial videos. Our truly fantastic team listens to customer feedback and have the ability to incorporate suggestions for improvement. Board and Board is one
new product, the Smartboard. 8070i. So this is a new product for Smart. This is an integrated 70-inch flat panel display with digital vision touch technology. And what's different about this product is that the pen tray and the controls are integrated directly into the bezel. One of the advantages of digital vision touch technology is object recognition. So that means you can write a word with your pen, use your finger to move that word, and then you can use your palm as an eraser. A couple of other advantages of this system are the dual user and multi-touch capabilities. I'm going to invite Chad Alford to come up here to demonstrate some of these capabilities with me. So as you can see, we have the ability to write on the board at the same time and then move objects from side to side.
Those devices. Presenters give the session a name and have the option to set a password. All participants do to join is click the session name visible in their student panel and enter the password. They will then see the front of class screen mirrored on their device. Easily set permissions to allow a participant to present to the class. Just as easily take back control.